Welcome to Easy Drawings with Mikey Bizan. This is how to draw a ghost wearing a fedora. Start out with the fedora, which just start out with a M shape for the top of the hat. Then what we'll do is draw a curve here. It'll connect to the other side. And now draw a line coming out here, and we're gonna curve it underneath to the other side, connect it with the line. There you go. And now above this curve we're just going to draw another curve here, and we'll start drawing the ghost, and I'll color this in black later. So for the ghost, I'm just gonna draw his body curving down towards the right. So it's gonna be like his head's here and the tail of his body is gonna be trailing behind, so it'll give the illusion of moving in this direction. And you can pause this video at any time to draw at your own speed, or speed me up if I'm too slow. So ghosts don't have feet, but they have these little loopy tails. We'll just keep drawing these loops. Say about 4 loops is good. And so let's go ahead and add some eyes. That would be good. I'm gonna space them far apart. And for his mouth, it'll be just underneath this imaginary line. Just imagine a line connecting these two eyeballs. So just underneath there, I'm going to draw the mouth right in the center. And he's going to be a happy ghost because he's wearing a fedora. We'll draw a U shape. And then we'll give him a tongue. Just start here and loop it over to the other side. Now let's give him little blushies, which will just be circles. And for his hands, they're basically just gonna be penguin flippers, like that. And then his other arm will be going in the same direction. So just imagine the way his body would be turning. All right, now let's color this hat in. Just use a black Sharpie. The nice thing about drawing ghosts is you don't really have to worry about coloring them. But if you have future ideas for cartoony things for me to draw, please let me know in the comments below. And it's hard to talk and draw at the same time. Actually, it's just hard to talk in general. But that's why I'm making these YouTube videos, to get better at being a human. I like ghosts and turtles. And so yeah, I'm probably gonna do a turtle next. that's a ghost. And see, since this is black, you can just push out the shape of the hat if you need to refine the shape. If you need to change anything, you know, you just stroke around the shape of the hat to kind of tweak it however you need. And so this is a ghost wearing a fedora. Woohoo! Thanks for subscribing.